Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss obtaining the Laplace transformation of the function that is 2 sin t into sin phi t divided by t. This is a bit tricky example because first of all it is divided by t, so division method is going to be applied, and this is a product of two functions, two trigonometric functions. First, that has to be resolved. Okay, very first we start with the known thing. So here the core of this example is going to be resolved by division method, that is Laplace transformation of f of t divided by t is equal to integration between s to infinity of f bar of s with respect to s. So this is the property which is going to be used to obtain the result. So I'll be calling this property as equation number 1. Then let us choose f of t. What is f of t in this case? 2 times sin t into sin phi t. So as per the property, it is 2 into. How do you solve this? We have a property which says sin A sin B is equal to 1 by 2 into cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Therefore, as per that, it is cos of t minus phi t minus cos of t plus phi t. Okay, as per the property. Therefore, f of t is equal to this divided by 2, it will be there. Therefore, 2 to get cancelled. Therefore, this is equal to cos of minus 4t minus cos of 6t. Fine. Since we have a concept that says cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta only, as with that logic we can write f of t is equal to cos 4t minus cos 6t. Okay, now apply Laplace on both sides. So L of f of t is equal to Laplace transformation of cos 4t minus cos 6t, which is equal to Laplace transformation of cos 4t is equal to s divided by s square plus 4 square, that is 16, minus Laplace transformation of cos 6t is equal to s divided by s square plus 6 square, that is 36, which will be told as f bar of s. Then from equation number 1, the equation number 1 becomes Laplace transformation of f of t, that is 2 times sin t into sin phi t divided by t is equal to, this is equal to integration between s to infinity of f bar of s, that is s divided by s square plus 16 minus s divided by s square plus 36 with respect to s. Therefore, which is equal to integration of s divided by s square plus 16, that is 1 divided by 2 into logarithm of s square plus 16 minus integration of this is again 1 by 2 into logarithm of s square plus 36 between s to infinity. Therefore, which is equal to 1 by 2 is a common term, take it out. Then applying the logarithm property on both sides, then it will be equal to log of s square plus 16 divided by s square plus 36 between s to infinity. In this case, we can think if I substitute infinity in place of s, then it becomes logarithm of infinity by infinity, which is a tricky thing, and it cannot be resolved directly. For that purpose, what we do, only for first term, we will be keeping everything in under the limitation as s tends to infinity of logarithm of s square plus 16 divided by s square plus 36 minus, when we substitute lower limit in this, then no problem at all. So that is log of s square plus 16 divided by s square plus 36. Okay, so limit is applied only for this one because there is a technical issue, and second one is all directly replaced. Therefore, which is equal to 1 by 2 into limit as s tends to infinity of logarithm of, from here I'll be taking s square common, then it is 1 plus 16 by s divided by, from here I'll be taking, from denominator I'll be taking s square common, then it is 1 plus 36 by, sorry, s square is taken, so s square minus logarithm of s square plus 16 divided by s square plus 36. Therefore, which is equal to 1 by 2 into, here s square get cancelled. Therefore, limit as s tends to infinity of logarithm of 1 plus 16 by s square divided by 1 plus 36 by s square minus logarithm of s square plus 16 divided by s square plus 36. Therefore, which is equal to 1 by 2 into, if you substitute s, if you replace limit by putting s equal to infinity, then it becomes 1 plus 0, because anything by infinity is equal to 0. Okay, then it becomes log 1 minus logarithm of s square plus 16 divided by s square plus 36. Okay, and since we know that logarithm of 1 is equal to 0, fine, log 1 is equal to 0, therefore this is equal to 1 by 2 into logarithm of, since minus will become plus if you interchange the numerator and denominator, so it is s square plus 36 divided by s square plus 16. Therefore, Laplace transformation of given function, that is 2 times sin t into sin phi t divided by t is equal to logarithm of square root of s square plus 36 divided by s square plus 16. Therefore, the solution of the given function is logarithm of square root of s square plus 36 divided by s square plus 16. Thank you.